Did you know that 75% of the human brain is water and 75% of living plants and animals is water? Interesting, right? Did you also know that water is part of a deeply interconnected system? What we pour on the ground ends up in the water, and what we spray up into the skies ends up in the water. The most mind-boggling part is that we can survive up to a month without food, but only about weeks without water. This is because the body is made up of 75% water, hence the saying, water is life. This is why it is important that our water sources be protected and kept healthy, not only for us, but for our ecosystem. But the threats, however, are plastic and waste oil pollution. Statistics has shown that only 19% of Nigerian population has access to safe drinking water. And out of the 8.3 billion metric tons of plastic produced globally, 6.3 billion metric tons ends up as plastic waste, meaning 9% has been recycled, leaving a whopping amount of 91% non-recycled plastics. These non-recycled plastics ends up in our waters, affecting our aquatic lives. This is indeed a challenge and a problem that needs to be solved.
Aqua is a mobile app designed and programmed to solve the problem of water contamination by plastics and waste oil. It provides a link between the product users and recycling agencies. Aqua has made it easy for the things we once took for granted, such as waste oil and plastics, to serve as a means of income generation. Via the exchange of these waste products, you can be provided with brown diesel and recycled products with just a click. It is also very cost effective. Team Aqua, the team behind this project, is blessed with skilled project managers, app developers, UI/UX engineers, and JavaScript writers who have vast knowledge in computer programming, providing you with the best ever made solution to the problem of water contamination, keeping aquatic life safe and healthy.
Since 71% of the earth is covered with water and 96.5% of the earth's surface water ends up in the ocean, there is no doubt whatsoever that the aquatic life needs to be protected, or else, in the long run, we'll be having oceans filled with sea creatures due to the contamination of this water, either by direct or indirect increased use of plastics and waste oil due to the ever-growing world's population. That's why Aqua World is here to improve our aqua world. It's here for you and I. Aqua World, keeping aquatic life safe and healthy.